Okay, cool, right on. So grab yourself some ground beef. So we're gonna grab ourselves, oh geez. Let's go 6 cloves of garlic. Authentic Korean cooking. Get your garlic. Like this Korean chick here, she used 10 cloves. I think that might be a little bit excessive, but you know, 7, 8, hey, never know. Use however many you want. An onion, okay? An onion. You can kind of get this stuff going the night before too, that I'm doing, and put it in a bowl and kind of let it soak in, but you know what? You don't need to. Got ourselves 7, 8, 10 garlic, onion. Boom. So we got this going on, right? And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pop this right in. You can do this in a bowl too. That would be probably a good way to do it. But I'm not doing it that way, okay? So what you wanna do is, actually, you know what? My hands are washed, guys, so don't worry about that. Okay. Mix her all in. Get that all in there, kind of like a patty, right? Grab yourself some soya sauce, right? We're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Oh, about 2 tablespoons of sugar. What I'm gonna do is, oh Jesus, that might be a little too much, but anyhow. Okay, you might not want that much, but that is 1 generous. And what I'm doing, okay, you want to use Miranda, I'm using black bean sauce, guys. A teaspoon of black pepper, just a pinch of salt, nothing too crazy. Grab yourself some cooking oil. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. And what you want out of that is grab yourself about a tablespoon. Okay? Then what we're gonna do here is we're gonna get the party started. Take that up to around medium or so. And we're gonna let it rip. Okay? You know what? I almost forgot something. You know what I'm doing? Guys, hang on. Bear with me. Don't go anywhere yet. Okay. Is you can use apricot jam too. Okay? And I'm gonna go with 1. About a tablespoon there. Okay. So we're just gonna, you know what? This smells awesome. It smells real good. Boom. We're gonna let that go for, at least, probably, I'm gonna say, at least 10 minutes. Okay? 7, 10 minutes. I'm gonna grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green onions. Okay? So you see how it's kind of nice and kind of soupy? You see that? Can you guys see that? Okay. We're just kind of let that boil in. And yeah, it's looking good. Oh, fuck, this smells good. Oh, and having a Heineken. Heineken's a good beer, guys. Don't go cheapy on your beer, okay? Oh, Jesus, does that smell good? You smell it? See, Tammy smells. Say that?
Smells wonderful.
Smells wonderful, guys. You just want to let that kind of boil off, right? Okay, right on. Okay, good stuff. So you hear when it's sizzling like that, guys? We're getting close. You smell that? Oh, this smells so delicious, guys. So yeah, no, this is nice and quick and easy. Oh, Jesus, this smells so good. Okay, so that's been going for about 8 minutes. You know what? I'm going to put my own little touch on this here, because I'm not completely trained. Just 30 seconds, right? Okay, I'm going to throw in some corn. frozen corn. Remember that garlic, or I mean the green onion? The green onion, right? Got about 4 or 5 stalks of green onion in there. Gonna toss that in there. One generous, actually, you know what? Let's go 1.5 teaspoons of black sesame seed. Okay? Now, grab yourself some sesame oil. Sesame oil, you guys, sesame oil, okay? And you're not gonna need a ton of this. Just about a teaspoon. We're just gonna let that rip for about another 5 minutes altogether here. You know what? I don't think you have to let it go for quite 5 minutes, right? So this is nice, quick one here. You know, ground beef bulgogi, guys, with a little Alberta twist, I guess you can say here, because of the corn, right? Okay. Oh, Jesus. You know what else you could do? You could use this for wraps. That would be good too. You see that? Look at that. Look at it. This is pretty damn good. Here, Dammy. Try some. Here. See? Tammy, my wife, if you don't want to order. What do you think?
Delicious.
It's awesome. Okay, right on. Okay, guys, I'll show you what else we're doing. See, we got some water boiling. We're gonna do some rice, and we're gonna eat this over rice, man. Look at that. There you go, guys. Ground beef bulgogi. Okay. Now, you can do this over whatever you want. Doing it over rice, okay? So, this is ground beef bulgogi, guys. Check it out. Authentic Korean food. Boom. Check that out. Check it out. Look. Taste test, moment of truth. It's good. Really good. Really. Yeah. Maybe you want to try that meringue, or you use the apricot and stuff. Like I use jam. So do it just like that, guys. And you know, if you got your rice kind of at the same time here, and you use the right rice, you know, you can do this in probably 15 minutes, really, and it's good, really good. Okay, well, hey, tank top cooking. You guys keep calm, be cool. Till next time.